how's WhatsApp for business? I'm just afraid to sign up for it for my business.
So WhatsApp for Business, it's about to catch fire. It is a major opportunity, especially for people that are outside the USA, because WhatsApp is the biggest messaging platform in the world. So if you want to generate leads of people in other countries, Latin America, for example, WhatsApp for Business is absolutely essential. You can use ManyChat to connect with WhatsApp, and you can create a WhatsApp account, start creating strategies to bring people in, and you can generate the leads, bring them in, and also nurture the people in WhatsApp. So WhatsApp is a great opportunity. It's not something to be scared about. It is a great platform that has a lot of attention, and it's just getting started. They literally just opened up their API a few months ago, and you have the ability now to integrate automated messages on WhatsApp. So Europe, the Latin American world, it is huge with WhatsApp. So if you guys want to generate a big boom of prospects, I would definitely focus on making WhatsApp a priority of yours.
If you're enjoying this content, please go ahead and subscribe. Help me comment below and let me know if you have any questions about marketing. And I'm on a mission to help as many of you as possible conquer the marketing world. So help me out. Subscribe, hit that button, hit that bell, get notified. We're going heavy with content in this 2021 year and beyond. Go ahead and subscribe right now.